Okay, this is a broken barbecue. So basically the legs are broken. It's still quite new. So I've basically taken all the legs off and turning it into a fire pit. And the easiest way to do it is to basically have your fire pit as it is, put the base bit back on, stays on there. And I had one of these left over from my chimney thing that I had, the fire chimney, and literally put it on top and you got yourself a fire pit, also a barbecue, if you want to cook something on it while you're keeping warm. So it's quite simply, you can put this back on top, and now if you have the fire on there, you have the log fire on there, and all the ashes will go at the bottom quite easily. You just pull it out when you're finished and put it back on. There you go, back in there again. So at the bottom, as I've just shown you, you have this on there. This quite easily comes off. Okay, and you can put it back on again when you're finished getting rid of your soots and all the stuff that's going to be left over after burning. You can come on back on here, you can just chuck it away and you can put it back on again. So all the charcoals and stuff will go in there, and this becomes your fire pit. From the distance, the way it looks. So from the distance, still has a remnants of a barbecue, but it's now barbecue stroke fire pit for us. Now it does look like a barbecue, of course, and to finish off, when it's all done and dusted, your fire pit and you're finished with, you can always cover it back up just like that, to keep it safe from children maybe as well, and in the night. That's it. Thank you very much for watching this quick way of changing your barbecue into a fire pit.